Today we're back at Dollywood. They're having their Flower and Garden Festival, which started back on April 18th and it's going until June 7th. There's always a photo op here when you enter the park. It's right before where you scan in. When you enter the park, here's another photo op. They have a photographer. I'm about to head in here to get my Diamond Pass mug and to get the tasting pass, but don't these look really good right here? Blueberry pie milkshake, springberry sundae. The pass is $43.99 plus tax. If you have a gold or diamond pass, it's $4.99 plus tax. This is the Diamond Pass tumbler. It has the new ride on it, Night Flight Expedition. It has those new codes on the bottom for the drink machine. They gave me these stickers. They said I can put them on the cup if I want, or you can do whatever you want with them. Lastly, I got the tasting pass after tax with my discount. It was $45.40. They always have this umbrella sky here. They also have a photographer if you want your picture taken there. Here's some of the art here. It's a little upside down umbrella. These butterflies on top. Here's some bubble wands. They have a dinosaur one, that's cute. All right, here's some funky hats with some fringe. Here's some more of the plant art. This one's another butterfly. Here's another butterfly. Right behind me is the coat of many colors. Here's a close-up of this one. Just a coat of many colors. They're actually playing that song here in the background. And I just learned that these are from Montreal, Canada. One of my favorite cities to visit. Over here we have some super cute raccoons, as the sign calls them, ring-tailed rascals. Right here. Here's another one hanging out by this tree. We're about to go do our first scan for the tasting pass. My son wants the hot honey mac and cheese, and it's here in the Market Square area. All right, so full price, they're $13.99. The first scan, we got this hot honey barbecue chicken mac and cheese. My son is actually gonna eat this. Here's some more plant art. They got the turtles. Oh, they have a little froggy over there with the fly on his tongue. If you're ever interested in making your own glass, apparently you can come here to Mountain Blown Glass. They have demonstrations, make your own, and a gift shop. They have these around the park. They're like little interactive stations for people who have the bubble wands. So if you do get one of those, make sure you look out for these. We're in line to get my free monthly cinnamon bread, which is one of the perks that I got with my Diamond Pass. You check out here, and they'll give you a little ticket, and then you go into the grist mill to pick up your bread. They also give you some icing. You can also get apple butter as well. Now we're inside the grist mill. This is where you pick up your cinnamon bread. You gotta turn in this ticket. Just picked up my free cinnamon bread. I get one per month for free as a perk for having the Diamond Pass. We're gonna do 2 scans here. I'm gonna get the pesto caprese sandwich. That's one of the vegetarian options, and my mom is going to get the honey barbecue pulled pork sandwich. This is the caprese sandwich, and it came with something, I guess, to dip it in. This is my mom's pulled pork sandwich. What would you rate your barbecue sandwich?
A 10 out of 10.
You get 2 halves here. The bread that they use to make this is really good. It tastes like garlic bread. Here's a cute little ducky right in front of the grist mill, and that's the same grist mill where you pick up your cinnamon bread. The train's about to come through. While we were sitting here waiting though, I saw this nod to the original name of this park, Silver Dollar City. Here comes the train. We're doing the 7 p.m. train ride, and this is the first time we've ridden it since they converted it from coal. So no more smoke, no more ash flying in our eyes.
Whitewater River Raft Adventure. Come back in a few months to ride on the night flight. So Engine 70 was retired from the White Pass of the Yukon Railroad in 1963. Later on in 1977, she was purchased by an East Tennessee theme park named Silver Dollar City. And it was on this very property that she affectionately became known as Cinderella. Well, let's just sit back and relax as we head on up Iron Mountain. Chit-chat with her. She loves little kids and loves those photo opportunities. We'll see you later, Miss Lewis Farm Crossing and Village Crossing. Let's give them a big howdy again.
We're heading back into Show Street Ice Cream to do our last 2 scans. We're gonna get this blueberry pie milkshake, the springberry sundae. This is the springberry sundae. This is the blueberry pie milkshake. This looks super good. All right, so we pretty much inhaled those desserts, so it's safe to say that they were very good. And of course, we're gonna exit through the gift shop. Here's some new Dollywood shirts. I really like this brown one. Looks like a lasso here. They have a light pink one like that too. Here's a wall of some visors and some hats. Here's some more crew necks. Here's some Coda Mini Colors merch. They have the lounge fly and the wallet. Hats, bucket hats, t-shirts. They have some ornaments, a scarf, hat, even a stocking. Here's a guitar lounge fly bag. They have fleece throws. There's a hoodie. They have a little doll. They have a little shirt here. Here's a super cute kids hoodie. Here's another kids hoodie. They have the book as well. Here's an apron, some oven mitts, a little keychain. Here's a spoon rester, and looks like there's a spatula set. And finally, looks like there's a pillow as well. This guitar lounge fly is actually on sale for $49.99. Here's another thing I just found, a little teddy bear. They have several other lounge flies over here. We're about to head out for the day. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.
This is banana and chocolate chip. This is orange cream, and this is cookies and cream.
How many was?
There were 6.
6, and my mom took 3, and then my son got 3. So
yeah,
that was his 3. We're almost home, so I'm gonna finally end it here.